Today, I'll show you the authentic Japanese way to make chicken teriyaki.
こんにちは、I'm Nami from Just One Cookbook.
You can get chicken teriyaki everywhere these days, but the chicken teriyaki you know is actually different from how the Japanese cook them at home. I'll show you how to make it on the stovetop without bottled teriyaki sauce. All you need is a frying pan and a few Japanese condiments.
Find more cooking tips on the website and look for the link in the description box below. Now let's get started.
First, let's make the teriyaki sauce from scratch. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons sake, 2 tablespoons mirin, and 1 tablespoon sugar. Mix well, or you can also microwave the mixture until sugar has dissolved. Place chicken thighs smooth side down and cut slits across the meat without slicing all the way through. Scoring creates an even thickness, so the thighs will cook evenly. Remember to make deeper slits on the thicker parts. Press open and flatten the meat with your fingers. Lightly season the chicken with salt and freshly ground pepper. Heat a large frying pan over medium-high heat. Here I'm using a carbon steel pan. When the pan is hot, add 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil has heated, place the chicken smooth side down and cook for 5 minutes. Using spatula, press down hard on the chicken for 10 seconds to give it a nice sear. After 5 minutes, flip over the chicken and immediately press down for 10 seconds. Switch to low heat, then cover with the lid and steam the chicken for 3 minutes. Open the lid and use a paper towel to wipe the excess grease and protein from the pan. This helps create a more transparent sauce. Now increase the stove's heat to medium and add teriyaki sauce to the pan. Tilt the pan and frequently spoon the sauce over the chicken. When the chicken is well coated with the sauce and cooked through, transfer it to a cutting board. When the sauce is thick enough in the pan, transfer it to a bowl. Remember not to overcook the sauce because it will continue to thicken as it cools. Slice the chicken into bite-sized pieces and transfer them to a plate. Optionally, you can sear with the kitchen torch to enhance the flavor. I like to serve this as a one-plate meal. Place some steamed rice on the plate. Add some green salad and tomato wedges on the side. Finally, place the chicken on top of the rice and drizzle some sauce. Enjoy!
Itadakimasu!
I hope you enjoy this recipe and check out more of my videos here. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. またね!